Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a playlist on SoundCloud. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and go ahead and search for SoundCloud. Click on the first link that pops up and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now all you need to do in order to go ahead and create a SoundCloud playlist is simply go ahead and search for the tracks that you want to go ahead and add to a playlist. So let's say I want to listen to Look at Me by X. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this triple dot, click on add to playlist, and this could be a private or a public playlist, as you can see. So for example, I make a hype playlist, click on save. Now that is it. I can simply go ahead into the playlist. As you can see, there's only one song at the moment. However, I can go ahead and add more. So for example, headlines could be added, right, which is right over here. Simply go ahead and click on add to playlist and select the playlist that you want to go ahead and select. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.